Hey everybody, today we're going to be working on a 7130. I believe there's 3,300 hours on it. I know the floor is messy, so don't comment on that right away. But what we have an issue of doing, we went to take it out of the shop and no start. Starts and dies. Starts and dies. So what do? On a Magnum, or this series, you go to start it, and it'll start and die. Well, you check up here. Do I have cab fan? No cab fan. Do I have seat air? Nope. So what's that mean? Do I have windshield wipers? No windshield wipers. Cab solenoid. The cab solenoid on a Magnum tractor is right down there, clear at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that very well or not. So we're gonna replace that. I had one on the shelf. Maybe try and show you guys how to do this. I'll be laying on the floor. Good thing it's clean. Okay, so we've got most of the hardware busted loose. Now remember, one of these is hot all the time. Recommended to disconnect the batteries, but I've done this a few times. So I don't disconnect the batteries. What I do is I take each set of wires off individually. I'll wrap them up in electrical tape. Then I'll make my switch and put the new one in. Go from there. I'm not sure the camera's gonna be able to pick this up, but clear back behind there is a bolt that takes 7/16 with a swivel. You got to be careful that you're not touching any wires while you're trying to take that bolt out, but that's what holds the cab solenoid in. Just take a swivel extension. It's threaded into the cab, so there's no nut on the bottom that you have to worry about. So I'm gonna do that and I'll get you back. Okay, so we got the old solenoid out. Do have a correction, what I said before. It takes actually a 10mm socket, and there's two of them. So what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna put the one bolt in on the easier side. I'm guessing when it was put in at factory, you know, that wasn't everything there, but this is the area that we're working with. So you're crouched in there, can barely breathe, have the pedals in your stomach. It's not a terrible job, but just wanted to let you know that it does have two, one on each side. The new one that we have here, exactly the same. Case age part number is a 47388-608, and look at right where that's been made, China. But that's what I had on the shelf. We're probably gonna get another one, but it's probably not gonna come straight from Case IH. Probably will come from High Capacity or someplace like that, and it's gonna be the exact same thing. So I'm gonna get that put back in, and hopefully the next time you see it, I'll be starting the tractor up. Just finished up here. If you are doing this, there's one bolt right here, one on the opposite side, and then also other thing that I forgot to tell you is right here, that's where your main cab power comes in. So while you're doing that, you want to make sure that you either put something over that, or you're just aware, because that's your main cab power for your batteries coming in Either that, or like I said before, disconnect the batteries. But not everybody's got time to do that. So we're done now. I just got it in. We're gonna see if it fixes real time. I'm gonna turn the key in the on position. We're gonna check for cab fan, blower fan. Gonna check for wipers. Okay, I got both of those. So technically, this tractor should start right up. Which it does. So that's how you fix a no start 7130 Magnum or any of the other Magnums. If you don't have a cab fan and if you don't have windshield wipers and it just starts and dies, more than likely 9 times out of 10 it's that cab solenoid that's right down there. And also, if you guys don't already, if you're looking for a really good light, Easy Red, not sponsored or anything like this. I actually got these from Nick Morello. He's got a Facebook page, Snap-on Matco, buy, sell, trade, bunch of people. And this is a pretty sweet light. It does just about anything. Sure saves my butt. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. See you next time.